know when you have to reach down that garbage disposal and feel around down there for that teaspoon? You don't know what it is. Who knows what's down there? But Barry, what if? Hey, and I'm just saying, what if? What if that garbage disposal comes on while your hand's down there? I get so scared of thinking about it. I turn that garbage disposal on, try and make that teaspoon go down the drain, but all it does is make a huge racket. And I stand in the middle of the kitchen, and that teaspoon goes round. I get sort of paralyzed, you know? It makes a lot of noise. Terrible noise. But Barry, I kind of like that noise.